Are you learning anything from my videos yet? You know, it cracks me up. Sometimes people will say, hey Joe, just get on with it. Just show us how to do it. Well, sometimes it's not about showing. It's about explaining, or actually showing and explaining, kind of like what I'm doing, without doing hardly any work at all. You're going to learn a lot just by watching and learning and listening. So when you get to a point thinking, okay, where's Joe going with this? Just keep listening to whatever I have to say, because it might be the best thing that you've heard for your project. Maybe you listen to something for 3 minutes. If you only catch 15 seconds of something that's important that you've never learned before, oh, that's priceless. You're probably wondering, if you haven't been watching my videos, you'd probably be like, what the heck? There's a sauna in this bedroom. This bedroom is like 11 by 13, okay? And this is a 6 by 6 sauna right in this bedroom. Oh, this thing works good too, by the way. And that's why it's still hooked up, because as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me to finish off these floors, getting ready to stain the floors. And all of the floors have to be done at one time. But until that happens, I can use this every night to do my body right.